Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, my name is Julia and welcome back to Makeup with Time with Julia. Okay, in today's video guys, the mini palette I said I will make a video about. I've already made a video, but Christmas tree was behind me. I feel like let me redo the video, so I'm redoing it. So again, just like my previous video, it's not first impression. You have 6 shades in total, 4 shimmer shade and 2 matte shade. And this palette is from the Juvia's Place Velvet by Juvia's. This very one. The one I did on my last video was the Wahala palette. Okay, right. Let me just swatch some of the shimmer for you. This is the 4 shimmers. Okay, let's put it in my hand. You guys know how I feel about swatches and stuff. It's not my thing. It's not my thing. Okay. Okay, these are the 4 shimmer shade. Then we have extra 2 matte shade, which is these 2 right here. Let me quickly wipe my hand. There. This one and this very one. So yeah, no big deal. These are the 2 matte shade. I'll put this here. That one doesn't seem to be showing well. Oops. Okay, maybe if I rub it twice or 3 times it might show. Just so these are the 6 matte, the whole 6 shade. So like I said on my previous video, I got the receipt anyway here, right here. So for the Wahala palette, I paid $19 for it. Velvet, I'm sure it's velvet. Yeah. So this one was $7. I used discount code as well, full May discount code I use on this order. Then I also got this very one here. This was $6 and the shade is Beanie. Those are the 3 stuff I got from the USA. Okay, now let's get down to it. I hope you are doing well guys. The thingy I'm gonna use, I've already started, can't get my words out. It's new year, you know, we're getting there. I'm gonna quickly do one eye with you guys on camera, then we do the other eye off camera. This is a ultimate eye base from Revolution guys. I got 2 of these. It's not like they replaced my P. Louise base, but guys, I like them. I like it. If you work for me, I will recommend it for you. It's about 5 quid. Yeah, I prefer this lighter version anyway because it make my eyeshadow popping more, I would say. I'll go in with this shade right here. I will lighten it up with this shade. Then I'll cut my crease. This is paint and it's purple, like deep purple, from P. Louise and Meme Mitchell. So I will use this to cut my crease. Then apply some of this shade. I want to pack this shade because I've already done my base. I also need to be very careful because I don't want all the purple matte shade all over my makeup. I will just kind of blend this area, these edges slightly because I'm going to use the other shade to blend it. So far so good. Oh, okay. I like it so far. Oh, these 2 shades together so far, they are gorgeous. Okay, so my hooded eye is not helping, so let's apply more of this stuff because it swallow all the matte shade. I want this area to be deep as it can before my hooded eye spoil the whole show. Now shut up, hooded eye. You know what, I will just dab a little bit so you can leave me alone. I end up doing that when the hooded eye doesn't leave me alone. I end up doing this stuff. This is from our collection. I love this girl for cutting crease and stuff like that. I don't want the cut crease to be high as well. I want a low core crease. I don't know what shade I should apply. If I apply this shade, it's gonna be too close to what I've already got. If I apply this, I don't know what's gonna happen. If I apply this, I still don't know what's gonna happen. Maybe I should just go with this. These are the false shimmer. You know what? I'll go with this one. Oh. You know, see what I mean? Oh my days. I like it. For my bottom lash, let's take more of the paint. Okay, so go back to the palette. This very shade here. Set. We first set. Oh crap. Then we will blend. Then we will go back with the lighter version, of course. This shade right here. Lighten it up. Well, diffuse. Some eyeliner here. I brought battery out that I think it will go with the look. They are glitter. I have to find a way to give myself extra work. Yeah, since I love giving myself that extra work. Anyway, this is from our brand MIT Beauty. No makeup, no game. Eyeliner gel. Have satisfied. This is from W7. All right, this is the eye look so far. Yeah, I got Stylomia here lashes from our lash collection. Can you see? Yeah, Mia. Yeah, Mia is what I'm gonna use today. Do the other eye off camera, of course. Throw the lashes on and do my lippy. You know, when it comes to my lippy, it's very simple. We do simple stuff. That's it. So I will see you when I come back. Then I'll come and tell you my final thought when it comes to this eyeshadow. Okay guys, I'm not finally done. I have done everything that needed to be done. Yeah, as for the palette, so now let's give this palette a final thought. So like I mentioned when I first started, this palette is not first impression for me. I have used this palette before on Christmas Eve. I feel like it's too late to pull something related to Christmas up. That's why I just decided I would like scrap it. Let me do another video. The first time I use it, I think I like this idea. Use the palette, then use the palette, not first impression. I think I like this whole idea, so I know what I'm expecting. I know what, you know, using the palette multiple times actually give me that kind of opportunity to actually let you guys know whether the palette is good or not, instead of first impression. I think I like this idea. However, this palette, as you can see, is a mini palette. I think this one now is available already in UK. It's a great palette. It's just small. I think they came out with four of these or 6. I'm not sure. Don't hold me, but I know it's more than one. It's optional. You don't have to. If you've already have all this shade lying in your makeup, your eyeshadow collection, you don't have to. But if you haven't got anything like this and you want to check it out, you can go ahead and check it out. I like it myself. I will recommend it. These 2 matte shade, gorgeous, stunning. The pigments, they are great. The So more or less now, with the look I did before that didn't make it to YouTube, and with what I did today, more or less, I have used all the shimmer shade. They are gorgeous. Little bit that kind of, like, it's like foil-ish, just melt to your skin. It's really good. I hope you like this mini tutorial eyeshadow look I put together today. I hope you like this that is going up here. Follow me on Instagram, is at Makeup with Time with Julia. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. Whether you enjoy it or you don't enjoy it, just go ahead and give me a thumbs up. I'm entitled now. Go ahead and give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, guys. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you guys on my very next video. Take care wherever you are. Good night and God bless. I want you to know we are in lockdown. Yes, everything is gonna be fine. We're gonna be okay. We're gonna see our family again. We're gonna go to restaurants. We're gonna do everything we used to do by God's grace. Take care and good night. Wink you with this eye. Then I'll wink you with this other eye. So you see, I double wink you tonight. So take care. Bye bye.